how can you fix a web page which is not available on the iPhone? Let me show you and talk about some possible reasons for it. Let's get started. If you're new here, most definitely subscribe so you don't miss tutorials and videos like this one. So there might be, as I said, plenty of different reasons why it's happening. The first would be to, of course, make sure you're properly connected to the internet. If you have the option to switch to a different Wi-Fi or a cellular network. But then there might be some different things. A lot of people, I know that when they change or fiddle with the time settings and the date and time in the general and date and time section, if you don't have it set properly, it can happen that the certificate for the website is not available and the website simply doesn't load up. So make sure it's set up properly, or I like to keep it set automatically. That would be one way. But then there are also some restrictions which might be in place. So as I said, you can go to the settings, screen time, and at the bottom, a little bit like below, we have the content and privacy restrictions. And this might be turned on, and there is a section for websites inside of the App Store, Media, Web, and Games menu. There is a dedicated section for web content. And as you can see, you'll be able to get inside and there might be, it might be set to unrestricted, in which case it's fine. But if it's set to limiting websites or only approving some specific websites, well, in that case, it may not let you load up some of the other websites outside of that. So, there might be something that is going on. And also, inside of your general section of your iPhone or iPad, it works kind of the same. You can go to the VPN and the device management where there is the possibility to sign into work or school account. So you might be able to see like your school account, for example, and if that is installed on the phone, it might also prevent your ability to browse all websites. So if your web page is not loading up or it's not available, there are these reasons. Of course, at the end of the day, it might be the fault at the website, like literally the provider doesn't work. So yeah, as I said, there are many reasons and you need to just figure out which applies to you. So hopefully I helped you out a little bit. Let me know what you think below. Most definitely subscribe for more and I'll talk to you later.